Master the Harvard Citation Style. Ace your academic writing. Hello learners, and welcome to another interesting lesson in our series on academic writing and research. Today, we're going to focus on a critical aspect of academic writing, which is citation. More specifically, we're going to delve into the Harvard Citation Style. By the end of this video, you'll be proficient in using the Harvard Citation Style in your academic writings. Let's get started. The Harvard Citation Style, also known as author-date style, is one of the most commonly used citation styles in academic writing. It's called the Harvard style because it originated from Harvard University. In this style, in-text citations are inserted into the body of your work, immediately following the information you've borrowed from another source. These in-text citations include the author's surname and the year of publication, with the detailed references listed at the end of the document in a section typically labeled References. It's essential to understand that accurately citing the sources you've used not only gives credit where it's due, but it also allows others to follow your research journey. So, it's a crucial skill to master. The heart of the Harvard Citation Style is the in-text citation. When you borrow ideas or information from other sources, you should cite the authors and the year of publication right in the text. For example, if you're citing a work by an author named Smith published in 2021, your in-text citation would look something like this: Smith, 2021. The placement of the citation can change the emphasis of the sentence. If you want to focus on the author's idea, place the citation at the end. If you want to emphasize the author, include the citation in the sentence. In addition to in-text citations, you'll also need to include a detailed reference list at the end of your work. This list provides all the information about your sources, enabling others to locate them. The general format for a book in the reference list in the Harvard style is: author's surname, initials, year, title of book, edition, place of publication, publisher. For a journal article, it's author's surname, initials, year, title of article, title of journal, volume number, issue number, page numbers. Remember, your reference list should be arranged alphabetically by author's surname. So, that's the Harvard Citation Style for you. By understanding and using this style, you'll bring accuracy, credibility, and professionalism to your academic writing. Remember, citation is not just about following the rules. It's about participating in the global academic community and respecting intellectual property. Thanks for watching and learning with us. Keep practicing, and in no time, you'll master the art of the Harvard Citation Style. Until next time, happy learning!